With Bitcoin absolutely soaring beyond local levels of resistance, one begins to wonder, is the bear market over? Is this crypto winter done? Has the ice age begun to melt? And a lot of people are actually answering yes to that question. And not just YouTubers, not just analysts out on Twitter. We've got Goldman Sachs members that are out there saying that this crypto winter could be done. It could be over. And citing things like the Bitcoin ETF and big boys such as BlackRock funneling into the market. I'm going to be talking about that in this video because if that's the case, guys, I don't know if you have left the crypto game, if your friends have left the crypto game during this bear market. But if these guys are right, it could absolutely be time to buckle down or get back in. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. And in deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Listen to this headline. Listen to this right here. A Wall Street giant has suddenly declared crypto winter over, as ETF hype pushes Bitcoin over 35,000 and the price of Ethereum and XRP soar. Guys, I honestly didn't expect a break of 35,000 on ETF speculation. I expected a break of 35,000 on ETF approval, but I certainly didn't expect Bitcoin to go above that $35,000 mark as people simply anticipate this ETF approval, because we haven't even gotten there yet. You know what I mean? Like, the SEC could still throw a wrench in our face and knock us back down to the ground if they deny the ETF. Now, what does this article go on to say, and who are these analysts? Because I love when the article is referred to, YouTubers or guys on Twitter who are not financial advice analysts, but this is actually looking at Goldman Sachs here, so let's talk about it. Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and XRP, have suddenly rocketed as BlackRock and JP Morgan quietly lay the groundwork for the next Bitcoin bull run. The Bitcoin price has rocketed over $30,000 per coin, adding 10% during the last week and boosting the Ethereum and XRP prices and other major cryptocurrencies as well. Now, analysts with Wall Street giant Morgan Stanley and later in this article, Goldman Sachs, have said that the Bitcoin crypto winter that's seen prices collapse since 2021 could finally be over, as traders try to judge if a huge shift in the market is priced in. Bitcoin's historical halving is also expected to take place soon, and that has always had a positive reaction with the price of Bitcoin. Based on current data, signs indicate that the crypto winter may be in the past and that crypto spring is likely on the horizon. You guys know the feeling. The snow finally melts. The trees are starting to bud. Spring could be in the air. And I'm not talking about outside. I'm talking about the cryptocurrency market. And it has been a brutal winter that we have been going through. Now, this is, wrote Danny Galindo, author of Morgan Stanley's Wealth Management Report, pointing to a massive Bitcoin price rally this year that's seen Bitcoin almost double throughout 2023. And we have more than doubled throughout 2023 with the current prices at $34,000 to $35,000 per coin on Bitcoin. A 50% increase in price from Bitcoin's low is typically a good sign that the winter has been, or this is over, and the trough has been achieved, Galindo wrote, noting that previous price troughs were about 83% off of their respective highs. The Bitcoin price had fallen by almost 80% from the peak of $70,000. The Bitcoin price topped $35,000 up about 12% since this time yesterday, before dropping back down slightly as excitement among traders reached fever pitch that BlackRock and other Wall Street giants are about to storm into the market, bringing with them trillions of dollars in managed cash. The Ethereum price has followed Bitcoin higher, up almost 10%, while the rest of the top 10 made some smaller ground. This is huge, guys. Now, we have to remember that this is all on speculation. Can the crypto winter be over? Absolutely. Guys, if we really do get an approval of a Bitcoin ETF, if the trillions of dollars in managed assets begin to roll into the cryptocurrency space, we are going to see higher prices. We are going to see regulation come the way of the cryptosphere. And if that's what we get, more and more retail investors, more and more institutional investors, more and more corporations will begin to adopt cryptocurrency. And then it becomes mainstream. So if you didn't think that this bear market was bad, I commend you on that. It has been very difficult. But if this approval comes through and institutional money begins to flow in and mass adoption of crypto begins, this could be the last bear to bull market cycle that we see that produces phenomenal gains. Because once mass adoption and saturation of the markets begins to play in, of course, things might be safer. We might see less than 80% declines from highs, but it's going to lead to less gains in the future. So I am absolutely just excited that this could be the case. I'm still sitting here a little cautious, knowing that the SEC and Gary Gensler love nothing more than to ruin the party. And they could come through and say that a Bitcoin spot ETF is not approved at some time in the future. That is a reality that we must deal with. But if this continues on, even guys at Morgan Stanley, even these big Wall Street suits out there saying that the crypto winter is potentially over, things are melting out, and gains are going to begin. If the mainstream media begins to pick up on that, more and more people will buy Bitcoin. More and more people will see the potential in altcoins. And then they're going to flow from Bitcoin into those altcoins, and major gains are going to be achieved, potentially for the last time. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are you looking at Bitcoin and solely Bitcoin? Are you adding into altcoins right now? Are you buying XRP, Ethereum, shibainu coin, Dogecoin? You still on the memes? What is going on out there? Let's gauge it down in the comments. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys get Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. You're getting free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.